me and Glam Goat. Bark. Little Pink Princess Dragon. Oh, little Miss Georgia Peaches got something in the mail. Let's see if she likes it. Yes, we got our very first bark box. Okay, we might have to figure out something else about filming this. Like, I can't really do the dog in the makeup area. Woo, maybe like this. This might work with me on the floor. There she is. All right, so guys, we're going to open this box and see how she likes it. See if she likes it as much as she likes my hair. So bad. Alright, so Peaches is really active, so bark! It'll be interesting to see how she does with this. This is our very first bark box. It's for small dogs. They ask a lot of questions, you know, like how old and what type dog, etc. Alright. Let's don the old lady glasses here. We got the Star Wars bark box. Ooh, we got a lot of stuff here. It says, a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. There's like things that you can order. Okay, welcome to Bark Box. I don't know if you guys can even see this. 2 toys, 2 treats, and 1 chew, and unlimited doggy joy delivered every month. Fun for everyone. Your dog will love our exclusive original toys and treats. You'll love our Totes Adorbs themed boxes each month. Dinosaurs, Pirates, Spa Day, and more tailored for you. Blah, 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 blah. Barkbox.com/contact. This was Star Wars. So let's see what we got. Oh, I should have got some scissors, but we'll do later. Come here. Come here. What? What's this? Ooh. It's Chewbacca. Chewbacca has crunchy arms and legs. And the head squeaky. She hasn't figured out the squeaky thing yet. But, okay, I think she, yep, there she goes. I think she likes the Chewbacca. And straight to her bed, where she's going to chew the Chewbacca. Okay, Chewbacca's a hit, alright? Then we have, this is so cute, this is R2-D2. Only look, it comes apart. So it's like 2 toys. Oh, this has crunchy legs too, and a squeaky. All right, we're not leaving the, we're you know, not done being infatuated with the first toy yet. Hey, come here, look at this one. Look, this looks like a R2 egg. Come on, come here. What's this? Come here. You little stink pot! Come here! Come here! Look! Look! Oh, she's just, yeah, she's a... I hope these hold up, because she's pretty, Okay, the toys are a definite hit, okay? Let's see what else we got here. We got bites and munchies. And okay, let's try out. No. You're so bad. So bad, she's so bad. Okay. I'm gonna shut the box for a minute, cause yeah. Alright, look, we got some We got some doggy yummies. Shall we try the doggy yummies? I'm hoping to teach her like how to sit up and, you know, sit, do some little tricks. Ooh, these are pretty big. These are pretty big for how little she is. I don't know. That might take too long. What's the other one look like? Although she is kind of a little Jaws monster. Ooh. These ones smell weird. Oh, these are more like cookies. Okay. Alright, so we got that and that. Alright. Whoops! Come here. Come here. Come on up here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ooh, look. Yummies. Look. Are you serious? A lot of editing is going to happen in this video because she has her own plans. So, a lot of editing. A lot of editing. What's the other one? Okay. While she's, you know, doing her thing, I do my glasses. You can order like extra toys. They have one of the, what do you call it? The Millennium Falcon. Oh, here we go. Look at all them toys. Like you can order extra ones. So, yeah. Come on. Look, here you go. Come here. Come here. Peaches. Come here. Come on. Here, up here. Come on. Alright, so this is, yes, the cookie treat, which is, this is the Most Essley Munchies lamb recipe with cheddar cheese. It's like a little cookie. Did you eat it already? Where is it? Oh, she's chomping on it. Okay. And then, oh Lord, it's almost gone already. Yep. I thought it might be too big, but maybe not. These ones are not so cookie-ish. Oh, well, no. It broke, so these are cookie-ish. These are Doggo Bites pork recipe with bacon. Let's break that in half, because, you know, yeah, let's do that. All right, she seems pretty, she wants to go, like, she likes to take a bite of her food and then go run someplace else and eat it. That's kind of what she's wanting to do. So, yeah, she's definitely liking this. I might be able to teach her some good tricks with this. And, we've been having a problem with, like, you know, come. She's like, no, go. Alright, here's the rest of that. Can you stay right there and eat that, please? Huh? Can you stay right there and eat that? Yes, and we're going to try another thing. That's a good girl. Who's a good girl? Okay, these are pork stick recipe made with real pork. Pure love. Okay, that cookie's gone. They're hard, but they're not real hard. This is going to be gone like in a heartbeat. Is this like a tooth thing? Feeding guidelines. Feed to your dog as a treat or snack in limited quantities. Always monitor when feeding. Not intended as a meal. Yeah, no phone. Okay, so I think that this is like for her teeth, but it does have some protein and fiber in it, so let's see how she likes this one. What do you think, Peaches? What do you think, Peaches? Is that good? Is that good? Huh? Is that good? Oh, who's a good girl? All right, it's looking like the bark box this month is a paws up. Peaches approved. See, she wants to take it somewhere. She's so bad. Sit down right there. Sit down right there. Peaches approved. And, I think, I'm not sure, but I think next month is dinosaur themed. So, that could be really cool. All right, Peaches. Say goodbye to the people. Bye, people. All right, she's going off to do her thing. So until the next time, hope everything in your life is barking good. And right now, we are Paws Up approved, Peaches approved. And next month, you know, we'll see. When we get our next box, we'll do a review of this one, see how the toys held up. If she ate all the treats, if she got sick of them, you know, went, yeah, you know, I'm tired of them. You know, we'll put all that together and see how it works. So until then, I hope you have a wonderful day. Keep on dancing. Wake up dancing every single day.